their scanners here. I can tell you right now, the firefighters who were on Lopez Canyon, they said, quote, fire is all around us. So the situation is escalating because of these winds. The winds have shifted earlier. So you're seeing the fire anywhere between McClay Street all the way up to Little Tahunga Canyon. So some of the major canyon roads, Lopez Canyon, Cagle Canyon, as well as Little Tahunga Canyon, are all affected, homes in between. Earlier we saw a lot of folks exiting and being safely evacuated off of Cagle Canyon. Now, I am hearing multiple homes have burned down. No injuries as of right now. If you live on the 13,600 block of Little Tahunga Canyon, we also want to let you know, unfortunately, these homes are threatened. We have at least 2 homes that are on fire. 13,600 block of Little Tahunga Canyon. That's according to City Fire. You can see the vast amount of flames right now with those winds that have shifted. We're in a turn right now, so you're probably going to see our skids here in a second. But homes anywhere in the vicinity of Gavina and McClay Street, Alta Vista, strike teams are on scene right now. They're doing structure protection. Unfortunately, this fire now well over 1,000 acres with homes already up in flames, and most likely more homes are going to be threatened. Earlier, I was telling you, firefighters are concentrating their efforts near McClay and Alta Vista. They're guesstimating by sunup, the winds are going to move that fire, push it towards that area, so they're calling additional teams there to do structure protection right now. Are you still in my pics? What'd you say? Off my shot rods, thanks. Good, I want to see what this is down here. Now we're getting reports of a fire, guys, off of 14. Soledad Canyon. Oh, what'd you say, Paula? I'm not going out there. I'm just letting Des know. You know what? Desk, I gotta use the restroom. I want to do this before 6 o'clock. So we're gonna go down and use the restroom real quick here at the airport, and then get back up so we can try to be here by the 6. I gotta use the restroom. Let's go to Whiteman, please. Yeah, I gotta use the restroom. I'm not gonna be able to wait till 7. I have a weak bladder. Hey, Booth, I got to use the facilities here, so we're going to just quickly dip it into the airports, and we'll be back up. Man, this... Whoa, look at that transformer just went up. Woo, right there in Tahunga. That was a good one. Jesus Christ. Olivia, you copy? Campus C1, Des, you copy? Olivia, mobile home track those mobile home track homes or whatever you want to call them. 12401 Fillmore Street. 12401 Fillmore Street. If you Google that, it should show tracking homes. They're a bunch of mobile homes. They're under evacuation right now. Fire department en route to get those residents out. FYI. 12401 Fillmore. I'm not going to be able to see those because of the smoke. What stables are on fire? Or are you talking about the addresses that I put on Little Tahunga? Which ones? Okay. Okay, yeah, listen, Kegel Canyon, I try to shoot it, goes all the way into the smoke. So we're obscured with a lot of the smoke. We'll definitely try. 12401, I'm pulling this up on my map. You want to keep her on, or do you want to turn her off? Pollard? Pollard? Hey, Pollard? Pollard? Do you want to keep her on, or do you want to turn her off? That's not true. The question is it easier for you to keep her on, or do you want to turn her off? Okay. Then I'll drop signal. I don't want to get into a helicopter in the morning when it's on, when I don't have protective headset. Jeffrey, I got to land to use the restroom, so Pollard, keep it on. That way it's a shorter turnaround. Please. Oh, you're going to pay? Okay. All right. We're both going to utilize the services here, guys. You got that helicopter hovering right in front of us, right? Dude, you see the helicopter? 12 o'clock. You're converging to the helicopter. 12 o'clock. He's hovering.